All right, good afternoon. We wanted to make a quick video just to emphasize how the cooler months are the best time for preventative AC maintenance and repair. Really, now is the time to begin thinking of springtime and looking forward to your summer plans. Dreams of baseball, surfing, travel, or lazy days by the pool are a huge thing this time of year coming up. And it's also the best time to catch up on the routine preventative maintenance that keeps your air conditioner in top shape for those hot summer days and nights in the Jacksonville, Florida area. Your AC system may have been idle for a few months, and a little care will go a long way towards making your summer more comfortable, allowing you to focus on having some fun. This is also the best time to schedule maintenance on your unit because demand is low, so availability is high. Our technicians can easily work with you to schedule your routine maintenance, and if repairs are needed, they can happen at convenient times for you and ensure the cooling your family deserves is running smoothly when you want it. In the event your air conditioning system needs to be replaced, finding out now gives you the time to gather information, review a free estimate that we can give you, and schedule the installation at a time that's right for you. While we offer emergency services, why run the risk of waiting for repairs? Whether your system needs cleaning, repair, or replacement, we have the experience to meet those needs. You can be confident that we can help you experience your most comfortable, safe, and cost-effective summer temperatures inside your home. Call us today to schedule a visit with one of our professional service technicians. You can always go to our website at airmccall.com or call us directly at 904-288-6110. Thanks and have a great day.